Hey guys, I bought a new power supply. We'll be talking about that in a few minutes. I bought this new power supply. I'm really excited. Actually, the reason why I bought it, not to put it into a computer, but to test computers, because if the power supply is bad in someone's computer, I can test it and I can see if that's their problem, power supply. This is an Aresgame AGW 600 watt power supply. It's real nice. It cost me about $50. And look at it, it's got a real nice fan on the bottom and really nice cables, and it has the lettering, 80 plus bronze, and then really nice cables. That's one thing I want to show you is the cables, because it has this main cable that goes to the computer motherboard, and it says tester, so I keep that covered, but I plug that into the motherboard and test the computer if that's the issue. And it has a lot of really good cables, so for $50 I think it was a really good deal. So that's the AGW 600 watt power supply, and they make them 750, 800, or 1,000. But to test the computer, 600 is good enough. I'm not going to install it. I'm just going to see if the computer needs power. And there it is again, AGW 600. I got it on Amazon Prime. Came in about 2 days, and it was around $50.